Opinions are being weaponized at all levels of importance because mild reactions do not matter. Yeah, so like my rant about social media is that it amplifies the polarizing views, because the polarizing views are the ones that get all the comments and all the chatter, right? Like it'll also get the likes. So the comments, the great thing about what I'm sure Facebook does is that anything that's controversial, it creates a ton of comments because people argue with each other. They promote that. There's this study that came out that Facebook, if somebody had reacted angrily, that's why they did these reactions. When they react with anger, when somebody reacts to a post with anger, they're actually now 6 times more likely. The algorithm makes it 6 times more likely that they're going to be fed more stuff relating to that post. So when you say something that you think you're angry about something, you will just get more and more content. That is that, because anger is really good at creating engagement. And so what goes away is the moderate views.